Later this year, when we present New Breed in December at Carriageworks and celebrate 10 years of this incredible initiative, 39 Australian emerging choreographers would have been commissioned and would have created new original works for Sydney Dance Company. And it is easily said, but I am so incredibly proud. It's been an incredibly fruitful and successful journey of coming together and amplifying the next generation of Australian choreographic talent. And it's not just about the making of the dance, but all of the commission scores, the composers, the musicians, the designers, the dramaturgs, all of the collaborators that have been part of the art making and the dance making of New Breed. It's because of them. And then, most importantly also, the audience. They've turned up year after year and they have supported New Breed. 10 years of New Breed. It's been remarkable and an inspiring journey of dance making. And none of it would absolutely have been possible without the unwavering support of the Balnaves Foundation and also our partnership with Carriageworks. Neil and I met, and very quickly we both realized that we had a shared passion for nurturing the next generation of Australian artists. In my capacity and in my role as artistic director of Sydney Dance Company, and Neil as a philanthropist and an absolute passionate supporter of the arts.
It was definitely a meeting of creative minds. Raf being his amazing, vibrant personality and Neil loving a creative idea. I think that's where it sort of gelled from. And I don't remember an exact discussion. I think it was more a friendship that was probably sparked in their first meeting, and then discussions rolled from that into the possibility of what the Balnaves Foundation and Sydney Dance Company could create together.
We met a few times, we got to know each other. We talked about the importance of giving emerging artists a chance to be in the studio, a chance to have the dancers, a chance to get the support of an environment like Sydney Dance Company, and for them to take risks and for them to be brave and find their voice and find themselves as artists.
It was really a grant. I remember Neil championing the most. Like he
it was a personal passion.
Yeah. He was involved in setting it up and agreeing, like I was as well. But I knew it was one he really wanted to do.
Neil was a visionary, and thanks to his leadership and to his generosity, that New Breed came to life. A platform where emerging choreographers get support behind them so that they can experiment, so that they can push their own boundaries as artists. And it's just an incredible initiative and an amazing program. I am indebted to the Balnaves Foundation for their confidence in the future of contemporary dance and also their absolute commitment to the development of artists.